Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I noticed another pop-up window that is now attacking some Mac computers. The pop-up comes from the website scan-mac.live. I've made it highlighted, and the pop-up says that your computer is infected by some Trojan virus such as E-3F456 Worm OS 10. Basically, it's an invented name of a virus that does not really exist in reality, and all other information given by these alerts is totally fake. It says that your system is infected with 3 viruses and that this alert is from Apple Care Protection Plan. It's a deception. It's a tricky message that is not true and not related to Apple. Well, instead, there are some cyber frauds who stand behind these alerts, and their intention is to force you to click on this Scan Now button to make you download and install suspicious software. So, you must stay away from interacting with these alerts, no matter how intrusive they are, and you should not download any software that they suggest you to download, because if you click on Remove Viruses Now button, you will automatically be brought to the landing page of some potentially unwanted program, such as Clean Up My Mac or Mac Cleanup Pro or some other program which is considered to be potentially unwanted software. So, if you got installed these potentially unwanted applications, I recommend you to go to your Finder, then to go to Applications menu and try to look for the programs that look suspicious, and if you do not remember installing them directly, right click on them and move them directly to the trash. Okay. Unfortunately, moving some unwanted applications to the trash does not fix the issue, and your browser may still be hijacked and redirecting you to many dangerous websites. You may, of course, go to your browser settings and click on More Tools and Extensions and look for suspicious extensions that might cause this problem. Okay, I have found some extensions that are dangerous, so you may disable them and remove them. If this did not help, I recommend you to scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac, and the website to download it is this combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner for Mac, install the program, and start it after you install it. Make sure you allow the software to update its antivirus database, because this is of crucial importance to make sure that the malware is detected, and then click on Start Combo Scan button to analyze how safe your computer is. This might take some time, and at the end of scanning, review the results, and you may remove the infections either manually or automatically with the help of the Combo Cleaner Premium version. Thank you very much for your attention. If the video was helpful, please like and please subscribe to my video channel. Thank you.